Welcome back to NJS Minds, the interview series where you get to meet some of the faces behind NJS Law and you get to learn about their perspectives, their challenges and their contributions as we continue to grow as a firm. Hello, I'm Nicole Parr and I'm joined today by one of our directors here at NJS Law, Chris Jones. Thank you for joining us today.
Hello, Nicole.
Hi, could you start off by telling us how you got started in the field of law and why you chose to invest in operations within the law sector specifically?
A number of years ago, I was involved in an accident. It wasn't my fault. I was stationary, a motor vehicle came up behind me, crashed straight into the back of me, wrote my car off, and I was injured in the accident.
Wow, didn't know that.
And after a number of weeks, the insurance company were playing insurance company games. The car was written off. They didn't offer me what the car was actually valued at. So I went to see my solicitor, told him what happened, told him the insurance company had offered me well below what the car was valued, and actually I was injured. So he said, that's absolutely no problem. We'll get the car sorted out. We'll get the correct value paid to you, and you're injured, we can get you compensation for that injury. And I thought, wow, can you? This isn't well known in the country at the time. It did that, and I received compensation, which was incredible. On the back of that, I met up with a friend of mine who was in the legal profession, and he told me that law firms traditionally at the time certainly couldn't reach out to people and they couldn't communicate the marketing opportunities that presented the personal injury market at the time. So I thought, an idea here. So I set up a claims management company, as we call them these days, a CMC, to manage claims on behalf of solicitors up and down the country. And I literally started it off with an advert on the back of the newspapers, put a phone number in there, sat with a small team of us by the phones. The phones rang with people from all over, one thinking, wow, this is incredible. Let's claim.
Yeah. And so could you explain how you went from that to where you are now?
The company got so big and these cases were going up, these clients' cases were going all over the country. I brought in a solicitor to vet the cases and vet the quality of the case to make sure that they went to the right solicitor.
Okay.
And this solicitor said, I know somebody who would be interested in starting their own law firm off. Okay. So I was introduced to one of my co-directors now, and the law firm was born.
Interesting. So could you outline your typical day-to-day in the life as a director here?
Of course. First of all, I arrive in the morning and have my essential coffee.
Sounds good.
Before I then peruse through my emails that have landed overnight, and which are many. Often them are new clients contacting us for the first time through our marketing endeavours.
Okay.
And I like to look at the different types of cases to ensure that those cases go to the right solicitors within the office. Then it's followed then by a marketing meeting that's daily, because the marketing changes every day. And then throughout the day then is just general finance well-being of the business to make sure that the lawyers have got sufficient caseloads, etc. And that's kind of my day.
And could you say what the biggest challenges you face are?
The legal sector is always changing. This new legislation comes in all the time. And another great challenge is keeping up with modern technology. For example, the implementation of AI that we've embraced here, and it's fascinating.
Yeah. And to finish off, if you could offer one piece of advice to any of those that are watching, what would it be?
Don't suffer in silence.
Good
If
advice.
you've been injured, or if you know friends or family have been injured, call us. Call NJS Law. We can probably help.
Brill. We hope you enjoyed the episode and thank you for listening. If you do have any questions or you have any topic suggestions that you'd like us to discuss, please feel free to reach out to us either by our social media or our website page.